Hey, shop owners, if you're running CNCs, mills, and lathes all day but ignoring your books, this one's for you. Today we're breaking down what bookkeeping is and why your machine shop absolutely needs it. No fluff, just facts. Let's go. Bookkeeping is simply the process of tracking all the money coming in and going out of your business. That includes the invoices to your customers, bills for tooling and material, or even payroll for your employees. These all get recorded and organized. It's the financial picture of your machine shop at any given time. Think of it like this. Your machine shop relies on tight tolerances, right? You don't eyeball a part and hope it's machined correctly. So why are you eyeballing your finances? Good bookkeeping gives you real numbers to work with, so you know if you're actually making money or just spinning your wheels. Let's talk about the top 3 reasons why your shop needs bookkeeping. Number 1, know your costs. What is it really costing you to run a job? Without good books, you're guessing. Material, labor, machine hours, bookkeeping tracks all of it so you can price jobs correctly and make sure your shop is profitable. Number 2, stay cash flow positive. You can be busy with jobs and still go broke. With bookkeeping, you track when money's coming in and when it's going out, so you can plan and know what to expect. Number 3, tax time without the panic. If you're dumping a shoebox of receipts on your accountant every April, you're doing it wrong. Clean books equal faster tax filings, fewer mistakes, typically a lower tax bill, and way less stress. Here's the hard truth. Most small machine shops don't typically fail because of bad work. They fail because of bad money management. Bookkeeping is a great investment for your company to stay afloat and potentially grow it into the machine shop of your dreams. Whatever the perfect size is for you, whether that's a solo shop or you aspire to have a team of employees. Now that we know bookkeeping is important for our successful shop, we need to consider if we should do it ourselves or outsource this task. To answer that question for yourself, let's get real. There's no right or wrong answers here. So my first question for you is, do you have the time to devote to doing these bookkeeping tasks, at least on a weekly basis? And if you don't understand bookkeeping, are you going to take the time to learn how to do the basics correctly? Because honestly, I've seen a lot of messes and time or money wasted because the bookkeeping wasn't properly executed. And I don't want to see you in that situation. It's frustrating. If you feel up to the challenge, I say go for it. You can use resources, like our YouTube channel, to help you navigate along the way. But if reconciling bank statements sounds like torture, hire someone. There are bookkeepers who specialize in trades and manufacturing. You can either hire someone locally or virtually. It's not just an added expense, it's a positive investment in your company. So that's bookkeeping, not all that glamorous, but essential. It's how you stay profitable, grow smarter, and keep your shop running long-term. Want more tips and lessons on accounting for machine shops? Hit that subscribe button so you can see when we release new videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like for us to cover, there is a link below where you can submit your bookkeeping or office-related questions that you have. The goal of this channel is to help elevate small machine shops across the USA. Thanks for watching. See you next time.